You know what I mean? That's what's gonna happen this evening. All right, so the first thing what I'm gonna be doing, okay guys, I'm gonna have some frozen mango right here because I have some frozen mango left over and I decide to use up my frozen mangoes, to be honest with you. So I'm trying to do a little bit of twist with the frozen mango. So if you guys like mango, here we go. And you know what I mean, it's mango season. Yeah, tropical season, guys. All right, so yeah, here we go. I'm not gonna be too long with the show. I'm gonna very quick and simple. Also, I have some blueberry. I don't know if you guys like blueberry, so it's something different I want to do this evening. All right, I have some leftover blueberry. This one look a little bit dodgy. Yeah. All right, beautiful one. Also, I have some tropical smoothie. No sugar in this one. It's sugar free. I'm gonna put some of this inside of it. Roughly about a nice, lovely cup to free up the blender. All right. Also, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put some of my favorite inside of it. This is some sea moss. All right. Got a nice, lovely tablespoon of sea moss inside of it. All right, and that is beautiful, guys, as you can see for yourself. So whatever you're doing at home and you feel, you know what I mean, you feel comfortable, you feel happy at home, and you just say to yourself, you know, and I like to make a drink or a juice, then this come in really handy for you guys where you can do at home. So we got some mango, some blueberry, and some sea moss inside of it, and that's going to bring in a lovely flavor to it, as you can see for yourself. That is fantastic and amazing. All right, I may just put a little bit of my favorite, which I like to use. All right, let's gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice inside of it. All right, here it is. Roughly about a teaspoon of lemon juice inside of it. All right, guys. So if you guys who love my, you know what I mean, love your sea moss, this come in really handy for you, honestly. And now I'm just gonna pop just a little piece of ginger inside of it like this. And it's better for you to grate the ginger, guys. All right. Nice one. And through summer, you need to do this. Honestly. This summer, you have to do something like this, guys. Honestly. It's just something totally different. You could put a fingers of ripe banana, but it doesn't need it. All right. So what we're going to do, we're just going to simple cover this, and we're going to take it to the blend. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to blend it and see how this look. All right, guys, beautiful recipes. Now, just to make you guys can see exactly what's going on, I'm going to show you exactly. So here it is. All right, and that's the way it look at the moment, looking lovely and delicious, honestly. All right, and I will encourage you guys can do the same thing at home, honestly. 100%. All right. So that look nice? That's what I'm talking about. Something beautiful and fantastic. All right. Yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this juice inside of it and kind of free up it a little bit, but you don't have to blend it again. Just gonna give that a mix. You don't have to blend it again. Look at that, guys. So that beautiful and nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, let's pour this into our cup. All right. Wow. That is lovely and nice. All right. Yeah. So, as you can see for yourself, that looking so beautiful, guys. Honestly, it's amazing. Look at that. Fantastic and nice. Yeah, man. As you can see for yourself. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how we normally do it in the kitchen. Alright. Yeah, man. Put some raisin. And we got some seeds, which you can also put on top of it like this. Alright, guys. If you like the recipe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo, as you can see right there. All right, beautiful recipes today from Chef Ricardo, guys, as you can see for yourself. Fantastic. Big up every one of you guys who are watching so far. Yeah, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas. Sorry, guys, if you didn't see what I'm doing. Sorry about that one. All right. Yeah. Being disturbed, thank you so much, man. Daniel, thank you so much. Nicole, thank you so much. Earsism, thank you so much. Big up every one of you guys who are taking the time and supporting Chef Ricardo this evening. I really appreciate the love. All right, 100%. So, yeah. Yeah, man, thank you so much, guys. Every one of you who take the time and watch this evening. All right, so please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend. And remember that, yeah, subscribe is very important, guys. All right. And also clicking the notification bell can make the difference. All right. So we will be coming with some more recipes and some more ideas where you guys can also watch and also make at home. Look at that, guys. Beautiful and simple, but also delicious. All right, so big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you guys. And whatever you do today, have a blessed day. And you don't know, Chef Ricardo will always have my respect for you every time, straight to the maximum. Yeah. So leave your comments and tell me what do you think, guys. I don't know what you think about these recipes, but yeah, it's a beautiful one.